Hello, in this screencast we will explore the Cabrillo College Library's new SuperSearch tool. SuperSearch is a great tool to use when you want to find a wide variety of sources. SuperSearch is different from searching directly in the Cabrillo Library catalog, where you can find print books, ebooks, and DVDs, and different from choosing a specific database from the Articles and Databases page. Instead, SuperSearch returns sources from both the library catalog, many of the library's article databases, as well as selected web sources all at once. You can find SuperSearch from the library homepage under SuperSearch All Databases, or if you're already in the Articles and Databases page, you can click on SuperSearch All Databases tab. You can limit your searches from the beginning or limit them later. The default limit is by keyword, or you can type in a title or author. The Cabrillo Catalog Only option returns items Cabrillo owns, such as print books, ebooks, and DVDs. The full text articles option will return magazine and journal articles plus ebooks. And the peer-reviewed option will return scholarly articles from academic and professional publishers. But I want to see all the possible sources on my topic first. So with that in mind, I'm not going to set any limits. I will set limits once I see the results. Here goes. My topic is online privacy. So I'll type it in here and click on search. SuperSearch returns a results list with ebooks, academic journal articles, a report from the Pew Internet and American Life Project, an audio file, and a periodical magazine article, among others. However, in order for me to see any of these sources off campus, I'll have to log in. If you are on campus, you will not have to do this step. So click on Hello Guest, log in for full access. Next, I will enter my 14-digit barcode number from my Cabrillo College Library card and click on Submit. Now I'm logged in to SuperSearch. Before I place limits on this search, notice the source types box. In it, you can view the various types of sources for each specific search you accomplish. The Sources Types box also tells you the number of each type of source. So in this example, there are 328 news articles and 572 articles from academic journals. But let's start limiting. I want to restrict my results to full text academic peer-reviewed articles only, and I will select those options because I have way too many results. Notice that SuperSearch resorts the list every time you select a limit, and that the number of results has changed. I want very current articles, so I'll change the date range to 2010 to 2015. I can also limit by language, geography, or subject. I'm going to choose the subject Internet and Privacy. Now I've refocused the search to only 16 articles, down from a few thousand. I can always deselect a subject if I want more articles again. Notice that you can tell a lot from the results list alone. You can view the authors, the article title, the journal title, the date, the volume and issue and page range, and the database name. If I click on the article title here, a page with details about the article will come up. Notice the subject terms which are live links, and the abstract that summarizes the article. And down here, the database name again. To see the entire article, click on PDF Full Text. Note you can navigate through the article from the left-hand side. Plus, there are numerous tools I can use if I'm interested in this article. Note the print, email, and cite tool, among others. I'm going to click on the cite tool. Remember that automatic citations are rarely 100% accurate, and you will need to edit any citation you copy and paste from a cite tool to make it conform to MLA style. So for this particular citation in MLA, I would have to double space, indent the second line, and abbreviate the page range to conform to correct MLA style in my works cited list. So to sum up, SuperSearch is a good tool to use when first starting your research, especially if you need to gather a wide variety of sources on a single topic. And success in this tool will lie in your ability to learn how to limit a search and your ability to pay close attention to the results list in order to find relevant sources for your topic. But for now, I will return to the results list to find more articles on my topic. Until next time, happy searching!